guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing last minute DIY Netflix show costumes, so stay tuned for your favorite Netflix characters. Also one character from Shane's series because Shane deserves a Netflix show. So if you want to watch that, just keep watching, we'll get into it.
So for the big mouth costume, I got a yellow headband, wore a yellow shirt, and then wore some overalls. So for the Jake Paul costume, I got this mask from Fanjoy. They were selling it, so I bought it, and that was pretty much it. I just wore a shirt. So for the end of the world costume, I got this dress that kind of looked like the dress she had, and then I wore a green jacket because she was wearing a green jacket. So for the Carrie Diaries costume, you need a colorful blazer, a colorful dress, and I got this DIY purse that I made to look like her Carrie purse. So for the Pam costume, I put my hair back how Pam does it, and then I just wore a button-down shirt and a skirt. That's basically what Pam usually wears in the show.
Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram because I want followers, and add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to make that happen, and comment down below what you're gonna dress up as for Halloween. If you're gonna dress up, comment. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye! Hey guys, so for today's video I am going to be doing last minute DIY